Tapos na yung sigarilyo dito.
Dumi-dumi. Sino nag-iwan ng napkin dito?
Ikaw, will you stay here?
So, what is WINS program? WINS program is amendment order number 10 series of 2016 that school should have well-functioned comfort rooms and hand-wash areas to maintain the cleanliness and good health for the students. So, our group came up with an idea to propose a program entitled On WINS. So, let's talk about our program. What is On WINS? Optimum Neatness for Washing School program aims to improve the cleanliness of wash areas and enhance the proper hygiene practices of the students within the educational setting.
With On WINS, we came to the phase of planning, wherein our team created an effective solution to those problems that every Batang Senior Uno experience when it comes to wash areas. Through this planning, each part and unity collides. At this point, we are at the peak of winning with the On WINS program. We've successfully oriented students from all sections to discuss the importance of cleaning and the WINS program itself. Isn't it great, right? But a crucial part is not yet happening. Hear this out, our WINS program coordinator was our research speaker to discuss with these issues. Together with the On WINS program coordinator and the support of our immersion teacher.
Kung ang CRM malinis, araw-araw linisin, ano yung behavior natin sa paggamit? Iinit ka, papabayaan mo na lang. Sabi tayo, walang tubig, hindi mag-secure daw mo ng tubig.
It was indeed a thoughtful said. From collaborating with the WINS program coordinator, settling the success of the program until the post part of the program, which is the implementation of the upland cleaning schedule, that students' involvement is a must. It was the crucial part. We readily structured an effective upland cleaning schedule for Batang Senior Uno to follow in maintaining the cleanliness of wash areas. Aside from that, with its aims, we posted some hygiene posters across the educational setting and wash areas for students to be aware of the proper hygiene practices. We've encountered some challenges in proposing and adhering our programs such as the funding and budgeting, time management, approval of the upland cleaning schedule, and the process of informing students about the importance of their participation in the success of On WINS objectives. Yet in every problem we've encountered, our team never back off and fight against these hindrances. Just like what we always saying, On WINS, we wins. Let's be transparent. At this time that heat hits Batang Senior Uno and was settled for modular and distance learning, continuously cleaning of wash areas and comfort rooms was postponed too. But before this end, look at the difference upon implementing the On WINS program. Look at its bright side and how big its impact can be. Through implementing a successful and structured program needs a lot of effort and time, but the fruit of it will last. This is On WINS program. No more takot sa CR, no more kauayan sa amoy. On WINS program with a tagline of
Batang Senior Uno! Sa WINS program, laging panalo!